Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll need a Microsoft account and OneDrive already signed in. Once that's ready, open the OneDrive app or the web interface. First, locate the file or folder you want to share and select it. This is the action that starts everything. Next, click or tap Share to open link and permission options. Make sure to choose whether recipients can edit or only view, because that decision controls downstream collaboration. Finally, decide if you want a share link or to invite people by email. Once you open Share, pick the correct link type. Anyone allows broad access, people in your organization limits to coworkers, and specific people restricts to named recipients. Next, set permissions, allow editing or set view only, and apply optional controls like expiration dates or a password to reduce risk. After refining options, either copy the generated link to paste into chat or enter recipients' emails and add a message. This targeted approach keeps control while sharing efficiently with the right audience. When the file is shared, use Manage Access on the file to review who has rights and to revoke links or change permissions as needed. This keeps files secure over time. Make sure recipients understand whether they must sign in with a Microsoft account or verify identity, and confirm your organization's sharing policies if something is blocked. If someone reports access problems, try resending a specific people invite, clear browser cache, or switch to the OneDrive app. These steps typically resolve token or permission sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.